In this video, I'll guide you through how to disable two-step verification on Zoho Mail. If you've been using extra security like passkeys or multi-factor authentication and now need to turn it off, maybe for troubleshooting or to switch to a different method, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you know exactly what to expect. First, open your web browser and go to mail.zoho.com. This is the main sign-in page for Zoho Mail. If you're not already logged in, sign in with your regular Zoho account credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage more than one Zoho login, because the changes you're about to make will only affect the account you're currently signed into. Once you're inside your Zoho Mail inbox, look to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see your profile area. This might appear as your initials, your profile picture, or a small user icon. Click on that profile section. This is where Zoho groups many of your personal and security settings, so accessing it is the first step to managing your sign-in options. After you click your profile, a small menu or panel will open. In this menu, find and click on the option labeled Multi-Factor Authentication or Multi-Factor Authentication, depending on how it appears in your version. This is sometimes abbreviated as MFA. This section controls the additional security layers on your account, such as passkeys, authenticator apps, or other verification methods. When you open the multi-factor authentication settings, you'll see a list of the different methods that are currently set up for your account. One of these will be passkey. A passkey is a modern passwordless way of signing in that usually works with your device or browser to verify your identity. If you no longer want to use this method, this is where you can remove it. Locate the passkey section on this page. Next to the passkey that is currently configured, you should see an option to delete or remove it. On passkey, click on delete. Zoho may ask you to confirm this action since deleting a passkey can affect how you sign in. If a confirmation prompt appears, read it carefully so you understand that you're removing this particular verification method and then confirm that you want to proceed. Once you confirm, Zoho will delete the passkey from your account. This effectively disables that passkey-based two-step verification method. It's a good idea, after doing this, to think about how you want to secure your account going forward. If you're turning off passkey just temporarily, you might want to revisit this section later to re-enable it or choose another multi-factor option. Keep in mind that by removing a passkey or other multi-factor methods, you may be relying solely on your password to protect your email. Make sure that your password is strong, unique, and not reused on other sites. And consider enabling an alternative form of two-step verification if you still want an extra layer of protection. That's all you need to do. You've now successfully navigated to your Zoho Mail account, opened your profile, gone into the multi-factor authentication settings, and deleted your passkey to disable that two-step verification method.